Leading with Emotional Intelligence, Essential Skills for Young Elites. We are here today not just to talk, but to embark on an exciting journey together. I'm thrilled to be here with you today to explore a topic that is essential in today's business world: emotional intelligence. But before we begin, I want us to make a promise. Promise me that after this talk, you'll not only feel inspired, but you'll act to cultivate your emotional intelligence and take your career and your life to the next level. Are you ready? Imagine the business world as a whirlwind of challenges and relentless competition. Have you ever felt like that? In the midst of this storm, emotional intelligence is your secret weapon. But what is emotional intelligence? It's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and those of others. In other words, it's the key to making sound decisions, connecting deeply with people, and leading successfully. What is the difference between you having positive and successful leadership and others not having it? One of the first steps to leading with emotional intelligence is to know yourself. How do you react under pressure? Are you prone to impatience, frustration, or fear? Identifying and understanding your emotions is critical to controlling them. But here's the trick. Self-control is your secret superpower. Don't get carried away by emotions the first time you feel them. Think, is it me, or are these feelings just blossoming in me? Imagine being able to stay calm when everything seems to be in chaos. Taking a deep breath, taking a moment to assess your feelings, and then making rational decisions instead of impulsive ones. That, my friends, is self-control in action. Tough, isn't it? Emotional intelligence also has a strong social component. It's about how you relate to others. For example, think of someone who showed empathy toward you at a crucial time in your life. How did you feel? That is empathy, the ability to understand and feel the emotions of others. When you can put yourself in someone else's shoes, it creates a powerful bond of connection. Can you imagine what that can do for business? Listening actively, understanding the concerns of your colleagues, employees, or customers, and offering emotional support can create a work environment where everyone thrives. Think not? Try it. Being an emotionally intelligent leader means being an exceptional communicator. Who wouldn't want to follow someone who can express their ideas clearly and persuasively? But beyond that, what does it mean to be a master of active listening? Listening without judgment and deeply understanding what others are saying. It also means being able to resolve conflict constructively. Imagine being able to turn problems into opportunities for growth. That is what a leader with outstanding social skills does. The business world is a battlefield, and at times you will face challenges that seem insurmountable. This is where motivation and resilience come into play. Staying motivated when everything seems to be stacked against you is critical. Remember why you started this journey. Take a step back from everything you've been through and set yourself up for success. Resilience, the ability to learn from failure and come back stronger, is what will make you an invincible leader. You are a young leader. You are in a unique position. You are in your 20s or 30s. You have the world at your feet, and you are leading the way. How do you want to be remembered? As a leader who seeks only personal success, or as a role model who inspires others to rise? Leading with emotional intelligence is not just about business results. It's about a legacy. By energizing your teams, creating a supportive culture, and being a beacon of positivity, you are shaping the future of business. Emotional intelligence is not an overnight skill. We know that. It is a constant journey of self-discovery and improvement. But the long-term rewards are unparalleled. Leaders with emotional intelligence make wise decisions, build strong relationships, and, most importantly, find greater satisfaction in their personal and professional lives. Emotional intelligence is the path to lasting success. Are you ready to change? I invite you to not underestimate your impact, to cultivate this skill, to use it as your compass, and to lead with passion, empathy, and success. Always remember that leadership is not just about getting to the top. It's also about uplifting those around you as you move forward. With emotional intelligence as your guide, you have everything you need to succeed and leave an indelible mark on the business world and others. So, where do you start?